Okay, next we have a music CD. Can you turn towards Mama? And this is Disney's Baby Einstein. Baby's Holiday Symphony. Ooh, that looks good. And that is the front and the side, other side, and the back. And we are going to take that plastic off and see what's inside this.
Good night.
See what's inside, right?
Good idea.
There we go. I'm starting to wonder if I'm going to let go of Cap. That just did something to the team's self-esteem. So they're not playing the same. Or the team esteem, if that makes sense.
They're coming back, so I think they're over that.
I don't know. Ant and him were pretty close.
All right, we got the plastic off.
Okay, now what do we got?
Yeah, a security sticker labeled that I got. Take it off.
That's right.
Go ahead and continue talking it down until it's wrapped off.
Okay. Ant came out in a post, and they were talking about how difficult it was for him letting Cat go. But they haven't been playing the same this year. They're not playing as well. Maybe, you know what I mean? I just think you get in a groove, and they mess that groove up. And I don't really see Randall and Dante doing so much better that they had to get rid of Cat. He's scoring a lot of points in New York. And now we got Daniel Jones on the practice squad. Making millions. He's taking $375,000. He must really want to play football.
That's quite the deal.
All right, the security sticker is off.
And da 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 da!
And we're gonna
Let's
see
open it.
what's inside.
Ooh, we got a list of the songs. And we've got a blue and white music CD.
Yeah. Stay tuned for the last one that's coming today.